In this practice, you will use the Sheet Set Manager to open an existing sheet set. You will note the information stored in the sheet set and open several sheets. Open the Sheet Set Manager. If no drawing is open, click Sheet Set Manager in the Quick Access toolbar. If a drawing is open, you can click the Sheet Set Manager in the View tab Palette panel. Close any open drawing. Ensure that the sheet set is empty. If a sheet set name displays in the list, right-click on the sheet set name in the Sheet Set Manager and select Close Sheet Set. In the Sheet Set Manager drop-down list, select Open to open the Open Sheet Set dialog box. Select the Sheet Set IRD Edition in the Practice File folder. In the Sheet List tab of the palette, identify the sheets and the subsets. Click once on the sheet A-01 main and second floor plan to select it. Hover the cursor over the sheet name to display the tulip with the preview and details for this sheet. Which drawing file contains this sheet? Double-click on sheet A-01 main and second floor to open it. The drawing A-01 from the subfolder Sheet Set Architectural opens in the main and second floor plan layout tab. The sheet consists of the title block, a table, and a view in a layout. Double-click inside of the viewport to activate the model space. Select an object in the model. All of the objects are selected because they are part of the reference file, XREF. Press Escape to clear the selection. In the Sheet Set Manager, switch to the Sheet Views tab. Hover the cursor over the main floor plan view to display a tulip with a preview and details for this sheet. Note that the status is locked for editing because you have it open. In this Sheet Set Manager, switch to the Model View tab. Two locations should be listed. Expand the first location to display the list of drawing files it contains. In the Sheet Set Manager, hover your cursor over several drawings to preview them. Double-click on one of the drawings to open it. Right-click on any drawing tab in the File tab bar and click Close All. Do not save any changes.